This for sure good to go. I wish everybody would have been up, but it was like I just randomly jumped on
Hell yeah.
and it was like I'm had a lot, and I was doing notes for next week.
Yeah.
I have every Monday I'm gonna do the webinar. Then Drew gonna do it Wednesday. At
Are we doing two week now?
we gonna try to do three
Three.
a week. Yeah, cause I'm a register with Zoom in the morning. I might do it tonight, but I'm gonna open up an account so we can do as many and webinars as we want to without the time.
Yeah. That's
Good.
what's up. Good shit. Yeah, two or three would be dope, bro. Cause that one is definitely not enough. Cause niggas be having questions and shit during the week.
I already know
Yeah,
that. I was thinking about that too, cause I mean, it's this our first time. Like we started off, we was having it. Everybody show up. Now we just starting it doing it with the webinar, so we still, trying to get a good system together
hell yeah.
for everything. But
Yeah.
shit, it's gonna play out though for sure, for sure. I know I'm gonna make sure everybody eat.
It's a bet. Yeah, niggas looking forward to that. You on Bitcoin as well?
No, I'm not on Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna hop on Bitcoin probably Saturday.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kind of just sticking to my trade plan.
Yeah. Are you using the JFX or you simple FX?
I use Simple, but when I load up on Saturday, I'm gonna try to use JAFX for the first time.
Yeah. Yeah, because they do weekends now.
Yeah, they on the weekends. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
gonna be clutch.
Yeah.
Okay, so excuse me, it just alerted me and said that it hit that low level, so it's retracing a little bit. So
Hmm.
that's what I was paying attention to. Cause 2 o'clock hit and it can just straight reverse.
So you really see a lot of activity when that time change, huh? Or when you come close to that time change.
Yeah, and now I'm just debating on like how much I want to take at this point, seeing it's reversing. Like, do I want
Retracing.
to? Cause I don't mind closing for some profit and then waiting and jump back in. But see,
You
you
got
see,
three lots open though, so shit.
yeah, you see what just happened.
Oh man,
Ooh, that's what I was waiting for.
doing a little pin guard thing there.
Yeah, I wish I would have told everybody else ahead of time. They gonna be mad as hell. They gonna be like, "We ain't tell me."
But I mean, could you have seen it earlier though? Oh, because you saw it on the 4 hour, huh?
Yeah, I seen it on the
Uh,
fourth.
okay.
That's what really made me load up at one. Cause I was
Yeah.
gonna wait until two, but then I seen it. Once I seen this, I was like, "Oh yeah, for sure, for sure."
So you seen that because so you saw the big bear candle and then you seen that uh that's the pin bar, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
these two rejections right here
Hmm.
and this breakout. See, it was a breakout. Then it tried like a couple times. Then it shot up and coming back down again. So I feel like it's gonna go ahead and follow the flow.
Follow through. Yeah.
Trying to zoom out and see what pattern it is, cause that's another thing I was gonna go over on Monday, like the patterns, like bat patterns, crab patterns, Gartley. You familiar with them?
Nah, not at all. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's something that I'm gonna touch bases on for sure.
I
Man,
just started learning a little bit about the flag pattern. That's a good one. I remember you
yeah,
talked about it pretty good last week, or no, like a week before that when you saw that CAD play.
that's actually what's gonna develop right here. Let me show you. Yes, I'm glad you said that. Uh, draw from the top. That's how I know I'm gonna take profit right there. because I'm anticipating that flag pattern.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what the hell was that? Oh, sell limit. I ain't try to do that. Take that off. Bro, I'm finna make 500.
You feel me? Damn.
A great way to end the week for sure.
Facts.
I took some L's last week.
Yeah.
Jumped in too early on some. Let's see. Yeah. You see these zones? I got them in.
Yeah.
So right here, you got a head and shoulders pattern. You got the head, left shoulder, right shoulder.
Right.
This was the breakout from the head and shoulders pattern. Right here, you got some consolidation in the dip. Went down, hit the lowest point, came back up to the high on the fib. So now it should be going back down. So it's looking for the next bottom. The next bottom point based off the 4 hours would be the 61.8. So that's 1.17425. That's my projected take profit.
Yeah.
Like first one. My second would be right here. And my third would be right here. So these are the three that I'm looking at for today.
Lines, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And another thing to pay attention to, because the market can do this, it can go down, boom, touch this 61.8, and then come right back up and touch it.
Yeah.
It's going to touch this and then go down, or it's going to touch it and break it.
Yeah.
But the thing I like about the euro is all you have to do is look at the US dollar index, like I was telling y'all. So if the US dollar is getting stronger, then the euro get weaker. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Gotcha.
So that's how this trade able to work well.
Where do you check the index at? You got a website or?
Yeah, on FX Street.
Oh, it's on FX Street?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Somebody else just hopped in. They probably not in the group. I did make it available to the public though, so everybody can see. But Kyle, whoever you are, I hope you know what you're looking at or what's going on. Because if you're not in the group, kind of I have to go back to explain everything. But to keep it as simple as possible, around 1 a.m., I looked on the 4-hour chart. I seen the setup, bearish candle, so I jumped into 2 trades there, and then just followed the trend. So I'm looking to take profit at 61.8, or right in between that 61.8 and that 50. That's basically what it is. My work pretty much already done.
Thanks. You done after these zero trades?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna chill because early in the morning I'm gonna get a haircut and I gotta record some more videos to put on the website.
Yeah.
Like how to download Coinbase, how to set up the apps, like just walk through type stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 2:04 now, so I'm gonna go to the hour chart. So this is the new hour candle right here that just showed up. So hopefully it continues down and it gets to this next point on there. That's what I'm looking for. And it looked like it's about to do exactly what I expect it to do. Hey, look, Donald Trump came back. What up?
Oh man,
Trump in the
what's going on, Trump?
bro, it's funny, bro. Okay, let me see. 15 minutes. Okay, so we at the 15 and rejected pretty hard off of the 50%.
Yeah.
So still gotta pay attention to it though. This is why this the only time I use my lower time frames is just when I'm engaging.
Yeah. Trying to
So,
see which one's gonna go.
yeah, so you able to see, you seeing it live, like what I'm doing, what I look at.
Yeah.
And why. Okay, see, it's still playing around on this 100% on the 1 minute. So it's still a pretty safe zone for me. Another thing I'm looking at is these moving averages are crossing.
Mm-hmm.
Over to the 15. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on the 15. Kind of see what happened.
Yeah. How far would you let it retrace before you jump out?
I would let it retrace to, let me go back to the, probably about right here.
Yeah.
So that would give me probably about like 325, 315, something like that.
Oh, it's moving back.
Mm-hmm. I don't mind losing some of it off of the swing. I'd rather try to max it, but as long as I got the gauge a number to how much I want to make off of the lot sizes that I chose.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see, the thing about this, once it hit that lowest point, like down there, now it's headed back up to 38.2 on the minute for sure, because in those videos I sent, like minimum retracement is 38.2, they say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's what I'm watching now. See, now it's about to shoot up.
Mm.
I may take profit and leave one trade open.
That's what I'm saying. You got 3 of them, so you might as well eat good on one of them at least.
Mm-hmm. I'm pretty patient though.
I see. I'd have been panicking, bro.
The thing I'm glad you said that though. That it took time for me to get like this though.
Yeah.
When I trade, I don't put my emotions into trading. I really like make sure it's strategic. It's like, okay, if it get
Yeah.
to this number, it's this. If it don't, like
Yeah.
I'm cool. I'm chilling.
Yeah. Damn, see, it's going back down now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, because they say, in all honesty, you're not supposed to watch the charts like this tick for tick.
Yeah, that's what they always say. Don't look at the minutes. Don't watch the minutes.
But the reason I like to do it is because I can show it live and show people,
Price action.
the live price action of it. Yeah. I remember when I first was starting, I was seeing people do this, bro, and I was like watching them, and I was trading. I was like, bro, how are they doing it?
You feel me, bro? Like, that's all I'm saying.
I watched somebody webinar, bro. I stayed up with them like 2 hours
Yeah.
in London, and they made like 1,200. It's when I was first started trading, and I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that shit tomorrow. Fuck up and blow your shit.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah. That just made me have to step up my game even more after seeing it when I was first starting off, man. But it's looking good though. I mean, it haven't even came quite yet to the zone or touched it
Yeah, right.
in this hour. And then as you could see, this example of what happens when the moving averages cross.
They cross, yeah.
Yellow over red. Look at the breakout. Boom.
Yeah.
Yellow over red. Breakout.
Oh, man.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
What up? I see you done stayed up for the late night sessions.
Man, I stayed up. I just got up.
Same
I'm
shit.
up for the rest of the day. What's up?
You must have heard those alerts.
I mean, honestly, I didn't even hear the alert. Like, I have an alarm because I work overnight because like I'm really trying to fund my account so that I can increase some capital. You know what I'm saying? So it's like so easy. Apparently, I'm a morning person.
Yeah.
You know, it's like I got up at 2:30 yesterday, and I was like, I didn't go to bed until 8:30, and I was like 8:30 p.m. So I got up at 2 a.m. and I didn't go to bed till 8:30 p.m. So that was like, it was like kind of a mentally productive day. I didn't really get to trade any forex because like I haven't become really regular with it yet, but you
Mm-hmm.
know, being able to see what you're doing, you know, this is my first time, you know, actually seeing it like this. So I feel like, you know, if I see this more and I can kind of mimic what you were saying, what you're doing, and see how you doing it, like that would help me a lot.
Hell yeah, I agree, bro. Good.
Yeah.
That live trading is clutch because you just learn so much just seeing it happen. You know,
Hell yes. And then you like talking while you're doing it. You're saying, you know what I'm saying? And that's funny because the same thing when you said like you didn't they said not to watch the charts, but you kinda I don't know, I can't help myself because it's like I wanna know where it's going.
Yeah.
You know, that's is that bad?
Nah, that's not bad. That's just when you learn, and that's the eager part about it. And the thing about the market is you never really know where it's gonna go. So of course you want to
Yeah.
sit like, okay, I'm expecting it to go this way. I want to sit and watch it go that way. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
But
Like how is it gonna go that way? Like,
yeah, I mean, and like I show y'all, like it's just like you start off with the month chart.
can you put your statistics up there? Cause I don't know. I just feel like I need a little bit more of a direction. Cause yeah,
Okay.
moving averages they cool and everything. Cause it kind of like you said mimic the Bollinger Bands. Is that the Bollinger Bands?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the Bollinger Bands right there.
Nah, those are moving averages. Hold on.
Yeah,
Let me show
yeah.
you.
They kind of mimic the Bollinger Bands just a little bit.
Yeah, they do. This the 800-day moving average. This the
Okay.
200. This is
Oh,
the
you doing about hundreds?
If you got a piece of pen and paper, you can write it down. These are all of my moving averages. I got
Yeah.
the 800, the
Hold
200.
up, wait. I don't got a pen. Can you post it? Cause like I'm sorry, cause I'm not even organized right now.
Oh nah, you fine. And I'm recording this. I'm recording the whole thing. So
Oh,
yeah.
bad. Okay, so like where can I go back to see it? Cause
Um,
I can watch it later on today when I get off.
I'm a
Like for real.
I'm a repost it in the group, and then we're trying to get everything ready because we're gonna make an archive for the actual website. So once the members log in, they can just go back to all the old webinars we do like every week. And like,
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, and you saw that video that I call him Boomer. It don't like Clint don't even just like roll off my tongue the right way. But so when I say Boomer, I'm referring to Clint. But like did y'all see that live webinar that Boomer had? Not the webinar, the what is it? The video?
yeah, which one?
The 5% video.
Yeah.
That hoe was live, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. I didn't know he's been talking about it in the chat when he says it.
Oh yeah, me neither. But I had called him yesterday. I was like, and I was just chopping it up with him, and he was like, "Man, I made this video. Let me send it to you." Like it's like we was just finishing each other's sentences, and he was like, "Look at my video," and I was like, "Oh shit!"
It's in the chat, that video.
I can send it to you. I'll send it to you.
Oh,
Who's this? Who's this talking to me right now?
This
It's
Mills.
Mills. Okay, so I'll send it to you after I get off the phone because I'm about to get off the phone right now. So if you on later on today, I definitely hop on. So let me know. Okay.
Okay, I might get on again like right before the market close. I might get on again.
What time is that?
It closes at 4:00 tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning or tomorrow PM?
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Okay, so bet I'll definitely be available by then.
Okay, that's
All
good.
right. I'll holler at y'all. Have a
Alright,
good day.
for sure, you too.
Bye.
It's still just kind of in the same area right now.
Went down a little bit. Oh,
Okay, that's what I was looking for. That's a big one right there. That should break and continue down.
Mm-hmm.
And then I be having to record. Why it's recording? Like it's recording on the screen, but I gotta record on my phone so I can like post the videos and stuff.
Oh, you gotta record your screen from your phone. Oh, record the session with the phone.
Yeah, because they recording on my computer, like my whole screen and our whole thing, the whole webinar recording. But for me to post like on Snapchat and all the other stuff and Facebook and Instagram, I need that.
Yeah.
Because that's how like Kyle and Donald Trump, that's how they hear.
Are they in the group or not?
Nah, they not in the group. I hope they know that they just that it's starting off free for now.
Yeah. So you posted the code on your Instagram or something?
Yeah, I posted it on there and on my Facebook.
Oh, okay. That's what
I think it's like I'm not in the group, but I'm in Christian's heart. What?
Christians.
Who is this, bro? Bro, somebody childish, bro.
Oh man.
I gotta find out who that is. If you're not in the group, you should be, because you're missing all the game.
Facts.
For real, for real. This little 45-minute session ain't gonna be worth nothing. And there's so much information to remember in the market, bro. Like,
Too much, bro.
For people not in the group, I don't know how the hell.
Too much, bro. It's too much to read, too many videos to watch out there. Like, it's just so much.
And we know that. That's why we trying to make it simple. Like we trying to simplify every little thing because
Yeah,
we traders too. We went through the same thing, so
yeah.
that's how we make it easier. And where I put my note. I think I left it in there. But every week though, the pairs that I'm gonna trade every week for sure is gonna be the Euro USD, USD JPY, and the pound USD. Those
Yeah.
like my three like that I'm gonna stick with for sure.
You don't be touching no other currencies?
Oh yeah, for sure I do. This is just because I want to set up a system. That's all.
Yeah,
I can trade any pair, but I just want to develop a consistent system
yeah.
that you know what I mean.
You be fuck with any like exotic pairs that you fuck with?
Yeah. The one I like the most, but it just moved crazy. This the ZAR USD
Yeah,
ZAR, bro.
yeah. Me and Os was trading that earlier this week. That's just it's too crazy.
Yeah, it's the gap on it is like crazy. Like it can
Yeah,
move
yeah,
1 cent. You put 1 cent and be down like $20.
yeah. Immediately.
So watch out for that one. Oh snap! It's finally starting to form up. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You in the
It's gonna
money.
it's gonna be a good night, man. That's how you go into Friday.
Hell yeah. Good Friday.
Man, they still talking about they Trump. Well, if you Trump, I hope you learning something.
You feel me?
For real. It would be funny. It'd be crazy funny if the feds really had to watch me
You feel me? Yeah, what?
because I got a whole movement. And was gonna say I got organized crime.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy. Went to them Lambos polite.
Feel me? That's when they really gonna be watching.
I feel like some banks would really try to put a hit out on me.
Yeah. I know JFX looking for Trey as we speak. What?
Trey must have hit them, bro. I swear I think Trey hit them for about 200K, bro.
I had to have, bro. He only shot us that 50 from that one day. I know he
showed y'all that. He showed me.
Oh, he showed you the other ones?
Bro, trading cleared 100K, bro.
Oh,
easy. That's
was
why
that like in a span of like a week or two, or the
that was in 1 week. That was in 1 week.
Oh my God.
And when he did it, because we chopped it up, he was like, "Yeah, I'm kind of laying low now, bro."
Yeah, one nigga disappeared for like a good week after that 50. We was like, damn, Trey.
Hey, the boy made that bread and got go.
I feel him, bro. We can't even play with him. I done did the same shit.
Straight up.
Yeah. Damn, so that glitch is just gone now, huh?
Yeah, the glitch gone. Yeah.
You ever got to eat off of it?
But when I caught it on demo. Like on demo, I'm up like 200,000. But
Oh shit.
let me see. I'm finna show you, bro. Like you see, like that's another thing I always tell people. I show my live accounts, and if I'm on demo, I'm gonna say this is my demo. Like you see, this is my live account, bro.
Yeah.
Real bread. I'm finna show you a demo though. Let's see. JFX demo. Oh shit, there you go.
What is it? Oh fuck. Yeah. What size light is that? What size lights you got?
250, 150, and 2.
Yeah. God, yeah.
Yeah, that's almost 100 bands right there for sure. For sure,
Yeah,
100
bro.
bands.
Yeah. Man, trading the dollar lights on Bitcoin is just dangerous.
Yeah, it is, man.
That shit will blow your shit quick.
Yeah, you gotta have enough in your account. See,
Yeah.
like with $100, me doing the dollar lot size because I know how to trade is easy.
Yeah, that's risky too, though, huh?
It is, but if you know, like, look at what I got in on these trades. It's not really no risk.
Yeah.
I ain't really risk nothing. And if I turned $100 into almost 5 in 2 hours,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, come on. And to be able to do it live, I'm proud to be able to say that shit. Like,
yeah, that's nigga, that's good shit. What? Hell yeah.
I know for sure, everybody who active in the group, like they up next for sure, bro.
Yeah.
Cause I'm literally like trying to figure out every way I can to get everybody else better. Like anything I can.
Yeah. Man, I'm gonna tell you now, these live sessions help just really just seeing everything that y'all teaching at play, like in the works. That shit is just valuable, bro.
Bet. And that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
That's why I want to keep it consistent, keep it coming. And I needed that feedback too.
Yeah. That
to know.
shit helps. Cause really, we can just ask you, like, you know what I'm saying? It's good to see like why you jumped in the trade, why you did, and then like as you trying to figure out where your TPs are and your SLs, and then you know that shit you just tell me about, you know, watching the minutes just to see, kind of get an idea of that it's going in the ways you going. Like I ain't read no article about that. Like it makes so much sense though. Like
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad Clint be recording everything. Like sometimes Clint will just record our conversations.
Yeah.
Put them on because he's like, bro, sometimes you be dropping stuff that don't even be in the books, bro.
You feel
We
me?
read over.
Yeah.
And the thing about the market is it's self-taught, so shit.
Yeah.
I'm really debating on if I want to take this 400 and just chill.
It's doing a little trace.
What time is it? It's 3.
2:30.
It's like a part of me want to just close all 3 of the trades and be like, all right, I'm done. I'm going to just wait and chill. But then I'll be like, I want to stay up like 30 more minutes.
I mean, you still ain't hit your take profit, so shit.
And I haven't. But my target has been hit a long time ago. Remember, we was talking about the 5% rule.
Yeah.
Bro, I blew past 5%. I'm up like 2,000% right now, bro. Okay, I'm liking that. You see that pin bar?
Yeah, hell yeah.
And it be the same thing, bro. Like, just different time frames. All you doing is looking for it. Pin bar right there.
Yeah. So that's probably one of your favorite candlestick patterns, huh? That pin bar, just to
Oh
trade off
yeah,
of.
oh yeah, for sure, my favorite. This mug about to end in like 10 more minutes, but
Yeah.
you can already see like, and this gonna be the only one I do for tonight. It was only a couple people, so it
Yeah.
was just to show people my live trades and everything. But I'm glad you was able to tune in, bro. You and
Yeah.
Jericho,
Yeah.
y'all in the group, so
Yeah. This shit helps a lot, bro. Like, can't even say it enough.
for sure, man. I'm gonna keep it coming. I promise you, I'm gonna keep it coming, bro.
Yeah. It's still going.
Still going, yeah. If this pattern complete on 15, it's gonna touch here.
Mm-hmm.
Probably go a little bit past it.
Oh, cool question about fibs. Like, so, like, when do you redraw your fib lines? Like, I see you got it right now for this uptrend, right? Like, when would you, if this keeps going like down towards the downtrend, when do you decide to like redraw it and make it like a downtrend fib?
I could do it from here just like this. See, remember I told you I used the
The tool, yeah, I use that
tool.
one too.
So if the tool is on, you can draw your own. So,
Yeah.
and then the fib. Right here top, and then to the lowest point right here.
Mm-hmm.
So then it will look like that.
Yeah, they
Cause
kind of align a little bit. It's just
mm-hmm.
percentages is different.
Well, remember on that video, the numbers just change up from high to low to high. Like it's 100% to 0%, then
Yeah,
0% to 100%
100%.
when you draw.
Okay.
Now it's shooting up, breaking past it. I'm about to close out.
Oh shit.
Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna just keep the 50 cent open. And I'm gonna move my stop loss to 25 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Move it back first, and then move it up.
You think it's done going down?
Nah, it's still gonna go down some more.
I was just playing around.
Yeah, I'm just being safe right now because I'm gonna chill for probably like the rest of the night.
Yeah.
So I got my stop loss set, and I'm already in profit, and I already took profit.
Yeah.
So I'm good.
You good. Whatever happened, happens. Huh?
Yeah, I'm fine. Whichever way it rock.
Yeah. You said a take part for that? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
253. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, take profit set. So let's see how much it's projected to be. It's like 400.
Yeah.
And that's before the day ends.
Yeah.
Before 4 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna let that rock.
Yeah. Looking good.
Then see how them shooting past
Mm-hmm.
that 50 has coming to 61.8. Probably once it touch 61.8, it's
Come
gonna
back down.
stop and then start to come back down.
Mm-hmm.
and just watch. But then this is, I wish I had somebody to show me like this too.
You feel me?
You get to see exactly what to look for.
Exactly, and just talking through every all this price action and what's going on. That shit valuable.
But this make me better as a trader though, because I have to explain it as I do it, and then while I'm thinking.
Yeah. It's a win-win.
There you go, blasting through that zone.
It's finna touch it.
Probably finna hit my stop loss, but it's still in profit, but I take it. Yeah, just hit it.
Just hit it quick, damn.
Yeah. But I'm glad though, because I took profit.
Yeah.
On even on my bigger trades.
Good one.
This side, so now I wouldn't get back into a trade until 2:45 or 3.
Mm-hmm. Just to make sure it's coming back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, it just touched the 200 moving average, 38.2.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's go to 15. Yeah, probably like right at 3, another one gonna come, and then it's gonna keep on dropping.
Yeah. Yeah, it's rejecting that 61.8.
Yeah, it's rejecting hard. Yep, there it goes. See, I jump in right now. I jump in the trade right now. I think I might own the coupon. Okay, this trade is just for fun. Just for fun. Okay, 0.20.
Yeah.
And then shit already in profit.
Yeah, bro. You caught that shit. What?
The fuck I'm talking about. And I'm finna set my stop loss right here at this 50. So I can lose $15. I'm good. I take a L of $15.
Yeah.
But I take profit back at this same point. So I'm risking 1560 to make 100.
Yeah.
Okay, 239. So I need to go to the 5 minute. Oh yeah. It's rejecting hard off the 61.8. Oh yeah. So it's gonna come down to right here next.
Yeah.
Yeah. To here. And that's how you motherfucking trade.
You feel it?
That's the monetary way.
You feel me? Yeah.